To factory reset a Windows PC or laptop without a password, begin by turning on the computer and stopping at the password prompt. Next, select the power button at the bottom right, and then click Restart while holding the Shift key on the keyboard. Continue holding the Shift key until the screen comes back on, at which point you can release it. You will then see a new screen with various options. Select Troubleshoot, and then reset this PC. Choose to either keep your files or remove everything. For a full factory reset, select Remove Everything, which will delete all personal files, apps, and settings. The computer will then reboot, and you will be given the option to either just remove my files or fully clean the drive. If you plan on keeping the computer, just remove my files is the recommended option, as it will delete your files and factory reset Windows. However, if you plan on getting rid of the computer, fully clean the drive is a more secure option, as it will overwrite all of your data, making it unrecoverable. This process can take several hours, though. After selecting your preferred option, the computer will begin the factory reset process, which may take several minutes. You will see a progress bar indicating how far along the process is. Once the reset is complete, the computer will restart and begin reinstalling Windows, which may involve multiple reboots. After the installation is complete, you can set up your computer by selecting your region, keyboard layout, and agreeing to the terms and conditions. You can then create a new account and start using your computer. Throughout this process, it is recommended to keep your laptop plugged in if you are using one.